What a scary situation. Beside first responders, firemen, police etc., I think we should all be thinking of rail workers as well. They have a potentially dangerous job as well. And so what happened? Southbound NS 732 was passing a signal at Lyndale, GA around 4:15 a.m. when PTS put the train into emergency. This caused one or more coal hoppers in the middle of the train between the front end and the mid-train DPUs to bunch up and derail. Northbound 283 ran into the derailed coal hopper, throwing coal all over the locomotives and tearing the brake lines and chains off the lead unit. Then the lead unit continued moving, unable to stop, and collided head-on with 29A in Rome, Georgia. The crew were able to radio the crew of 29A in time for them to exit their locomotive. Some broken ribs, wrists and fingers off the crew that bailed off 283, but no life-threatening injuries. They'll be okay, just beat up a little from the jump. Speed at time of head-on was roughly 20 to 25. Even if they'd stayed in that could have came through, it had just been a very loud sudden stop. They most likely wasn't thinking of do or don't. The 29 crew did get off and was at a safe distance away. I can't wait to read the NTSB report on this one. Write in the comments, maybe you know the details about what happened. Subscribe to the channel and share this video.